Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Pure Silver Joy YouTube channel. Have you ever thought that you could create a beautiful, one-of-a-kind silver shell pendant at home? Our Silver Shell Pendant Kit is specially designed for beginners, no experience needed at all. All you need is a gas stove to complete this unique piece, perfect as a gift or for yourself. Start your silver clay journey today. What's included in the kit? A step-by-step instruction guide. 5 grams of silver clay. A pendant bail on a minimalist leather cord necklace. A jewelry box. A silicone putty kit, A and B components, 12 grams each. An agate burnisher. An 11-piece mini drill bit set, 0.5 mm to 3.2 mm. 2 sanding sponges. A polishing stick. A silver polishing cloth. 2 real shells. A U-shaped acrylic pressing board. 2 coarse 320 grit and 2 fine 1000 grit sandpapers. A copper wire brush. A tool pack including 2 clay sculpting tools. 1 large, 1 small, a pair of tweezers, a carving knife, a metal file, a needle crafting pen, and 2 brushes, 1 large, 1 small. A wooden sanding block. A rolling pin. A sturdy work base plate. A sintering mesh. This kit is perfect whether you're crafting solo, spending creative time with a friend, or looking for a meaningful, handmade gift idea. It's simple, relaxing, and super fun, the easiest way to start your silver clay journey. You can find the Silver Shell Pendant Kit on our Etsy shop. Just search for Pure Silver Joy. Thanks so much for watching, and happy crafting!